traders, I'm looking at the Euro Swiss. Okay, so have a look at this. It's trading into the previous weekly low. I'll mark that up on the chart and then we'll go down the time frames. A couple of key levels to be mindful of and is the previous low candle body. So this range in here between these two orange horizontal lines would be a level of interest. In other words, it's a big support level. Now, the other thing that you have here on the daily is, have a look here, this range, these candle lows. I'm just going to pull this through here down to the candle wick, and we have a liquidity pool sitting under. Let me just mark that up and then we'll go down the time frames. Okay, I haven't got it. Middle line, we'll take that out and we'll just do that. So liquidity pool. Okay, so it's picking up the sell side liquidity that's sitting under these candles, these daily candles. And the other thing about this is it's trading into a daily order block right through here. So the high to the low. Okay, so this is quite a significant level of support. You don't want to be selling into this. So that's a daily order block, OB. Right, if you like, we can mark up the candle body. We'll do that just to narrow it down a bit. Right, trading down into a big level. Right, so we've got a 4-hour time frame here. Now, what you can see with this time frame is relative equal lows under here, more or less. A bit of a dip down under, and then this higher low. So my question is, is this gearing up to reverse Euro Swiss? Possibility that it could be. I don't mind this price action. I like this break of market structure here, right there. Break of market structure bullish, right? So now we have this higher low setting up. Let's go down the time frames and look at a opportunity and see if we can get involved with this, right? So we've got this potentially trending up, right? It may or may not continue, but if this is in fact looking to reverse, right? So we've got our relative equal lows here. Just mark that up, increase the line a little bit so we can see it. All right, so we've got this base potentially forming under here. All right, with this price action, this is dipping down here at the moment. It's taking out liquidity that's resting under this range here. All right, so it's a pretty aggressive move down into this liquidity pool. So we'll just call it that, liquidity. All right, and what I'm talking about is the stops that are resting. See this range and this bullish, where this move originated back in here, this red candle. This range in here, we've got sell stops sitting under here that this is aggressively attacking at the moment. All right, so it's moving right down into this red candle. Okay, that's a bullish order block because we've had displacement. Well, we've had a move with a fair bit of volatility, momentum, I should say. We'll just have a look at this on the lower time frame and just see what that looks like. But I would be looking for buy opportunity around here. Let's just go down to, say, a 15-minute time frame. Scrunch it up. Yeah, because I like this base, this rounding sort of bottom and this higher high. What we can look for here would be on the 15M is, all right, so we've got this range here. This is pretty significant, and what I'm thinking could be going on here is, right, it's a higher low. Now, this move here possibly is drawing in, the Algo could be setting this up to draw in buyers so that they build liquidity, more liquidity under here in the form of stops, right? So this move here pushing up, we get a bit of a build up of stop losses under. So let's just do that. Stops, liquidity. It's what the market needs to function on, right? Double bottom. Again, it's a similar sort of a pattern. So we get the double bottom, the dip under. And what I really want to see, look, it may or may not play out. This could travel further south. But what I really want to see with this is, we've got this price action now. Okay, it trades up, it trades down. So I'm always looking at this fake out, possible shakeout. And then I want to see this trade with speed, come back down, retest the high. And you want to see possibly like this trading off with speed and creating a long thin candle imbalance basically. All right, so and then it trades back down, rebalances, and then we continue on. So I'd really like to see this imbalance and this trade off with speed. That would I guess, entice me to get a bit more serious about looking for buy opportunity. And of course, you want to see the break of market structure above this range. All right, so if this price action plays out, watch this through the London Open today, and into the Asia close, and then we've got the New York Open. I just want to see if this shapes up, and if it does, then my entry point is going to be on the retest of the high of this, or possibly pulling a little bit further deeper into this. If this creates an imbalance here. Goes the imbalance. I mean, look, that'd be an aggressive entry, and if you're a little bit conservative, you could wait for this break here, an entry point. If I can find my thing, bear with me. Yeah, here we are. On this second move. Okay, so what we're looking at then is the break of structure, higher high, and then higher low, second higher low, something like that. All right, so there's a couple of possible entry points if this plays out. Right now, if it doesn't play out and it continues further south, I'll let it go. I mean, look, it could get aggressive, and it could look to hunt stops under these lows here. That's a possibility as well. I guess bottom line, look, I really do think this is going to react off this level. So whether it happens here or it happens further down, I mean, it could get aggressive here and look for stops under here as well. You want to see that kind of price action, playing out like this, whether it's up here or, down here. It's the range, sideways, break of market structure bullish, and then the continuation that we're looking for. Okay, if you're sitting in front of the chart. If not, well, you can only speculate. But if you're in front of the chart and you're watching this and you see this price action shape up, I would be looking to get involved. All right, so there's a couple of possibilities there. And I mean, you just got to wait for the trend to rotate and start trading north. It might be doing it here, but okay, guys, I mean, that's my take on the Euro Swiss at the moment. Actually, in terms of targets, if that's going to trade north, here's the thing, right? So we go long. It's hypothetically speaking. Let's just say we get involved with that there. Stop loss could go under. Look, if there's an imbalance that's created, if this pushes off with speed, go under the imbalance. If you want to play it safe or safer, go under the previous low, something like that. And look, targets are easily found, guys. You just look left and you pick these highs. There's a target. Here's another target right here. All right, preferably on a 4-hour chart, but we're looking at this range more than anything. All right, so you've got this entire range from high to low as our trading range, and if it's a reversal, then there's a target there, definitely. These highs and up into here even further, right? That could be the ultimate goal with this, really. Okay, nothing wrong with that. All right, so look to take profits, or not take profits. You could take profits, but look to pull your stop loss to break even. If this trades north, and there's a 4.73 outcome and a 5-hour outcome, you could push for a 5-hour outcome with this, I reckon. What's that? 4.9. There's a 5-hour outcome actually under that previous. Stop loss around that low over here. Okay, once it starts trading north, 5-hour outcome potentially. Okay, stop loss to break even and follow it. That's my take, guys, on the Euro Swiss. And with that, I'd love you to comment. So definitely leave a comment below. And I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. And see you in the next one.